are welcome to Physical and Health Education class. My name is Mr. Achegbulu David. In today's topic, we shall be looking at jumping event in athletics. Athletic is an event that involves either field or track event. Let us hear a presentation from Group A on high jump. The high jump is a track and field event in which competitors must jump unaided over a horizontal bar, placed at measured heights, without dislodging it. In its modern, most practiced format, a bar is placed between two standards with a crash mat for landing. Since ancient times, competitors have introduced increasingly effective techniques to arrive at the current form, and the current universally preferred method is the Fosbury flop, in which athletes run towards the bar and leap headfirst with their back to the bar. The discipline is, alongside the pole vault, one of two vertical clearance events in the Olympic athletics program. It is contested at the World Championships in Athletics and the World Athletics Indoor Championships, and is a common occurrence at track and field meets. The high jump was among the first events deemed acceptable for women, having been held at the 1928 Olympic Games. Javier Sotomayor from Cuba is the current men's record holder with a jump of 2.45 meters, 8.25 feet set in 1993, the longest standing record in the history of the men's high jump. Stefka Kostadinova, Bulgaria, has held the women's world record of 2.09 meters, 6 feet, 10.25 since 1987, also the longest held record in the event. Enough of the lecture. It's now time to enjoy some practical moment as we watch students of White Pearl International School, Abuja, Nigeria, display their skills in high jump. Catch the funny moment.